How to log into Instagram automatically without password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to do so, and we should be able to log in at least once, and that way you can enable the auto login. So let's get started. So once we open up the Instagram application, what we can do is we can go ahead and save up our login info. So what we can do is we can go to our settings, look out for the profile option in the bottom right, and from there go ahead and look out for the three horizontal line in the top right and tap on it. And once we go ahead and tap on it, we can look out for the option called save login info. So we can scroll down and we just need to tap on this option called logout. And once we tap on it, what we need to do is we need to tap on this option called save. So we need to confirm it up. We can confirm this option called save your login info and tap on save. And once we've done so, what happens is when we go ahead and head back to the main login screen, we can log in with just one tap instead of the password. That way we should be able to do it. If you have saved the password via Google Password Manager, next time you try to log in, the login screen will be auto refilled with username and password. You can just go and use that method directly as well. And if it didn't work, you probably didn't clear the app data. So for that, you can hold it up and go to the info in the top and just go over and look out for storage and look out for clear cache and clear out the cache. Ensure that you have cleared the cache, and again try logging in into your account. In that way you should be able to log in into Instagram automatically without password. So that's it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.